Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Surita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make sweet corn sandwich. In a mixing bowl, take boiled sweet corns, chopped onion, mixed bell pepper, peri-peri seasoning, mayonnaise, tandoori mayonnaise, pizza sauce, red chili flakes, crushed black pepper and salt. Mix all the ingredients and keep it aside. Apply butter on top of the bread. Now spread the prepared stuffing evenly on it. Place a cheese slice. Cover it with another bread slice. Toast it until the bread turns golden in color. Transfer the corn sandwich to a wooden board. Once done, cut into triangles to serve. If you like today's video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.